Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to free up storage in Google One. If your storage is full, you do not always need to upgrade. Google One gives you built-in tools to clean up space across your entire Google account, including Drive, Gmail and Photos. And this guide shows exactly how to free up space safely without losing important data. So first, what you can do is simply open your Google One if you do not have, so you can download it from your App Store or the Play Store as well. So over here, once you get into this interface of your Google One, tap on the storage on the bottom there. Over here, you can also clean up the account storage here. Tap on the clean up account storage and you can manually delete the files in trash, large drives files, emails with large attachment as well. Select one of the option there. Over here, what you can simply do is tap on the mails and delete in the top right corner, and that is it. This is how you can free up storage in Google One. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.